Bombay High Court to hear petition filed by general insurance companies to stop GST authorities proceeding. So this petition will be heard by Bombay High Court on 19th of March. Insurance companies have approached Bombay High Court related to the GST dues. Insurance companies have got GST due notices. More than 20 insurance companies have got GST due notices. GST amount pertaining to year 2017 to year 2022 related to co-insurance premium. So GST authorities has sent notices, demand notices of more than 15,000 crore. But as per insurance companies, for co-insurance, the lead insurer had already paid the all taxes, GST. So again, the paying of GST will be a double taxation, and insurance companies just want GST Council clarity. But at present, there is no meeting planned of GST Council, and new GST Council meeting can happen only after the formation of new government. So as per insurance companies, they have already paid the taxes, and there is no new liability related to the co-insurance premium, and they have also submitted their issue their memorandum to Finance Ministry, and GST Council can only give a clarity to GST authorities. So for this reason only, insurance companies has approached Bombay High Court, and this matter will be taken up on 19th of March.